Master the A320 Fire Control Panel, essential guide for safety critical operations. Swipe to discover crucial fire system operations every pilot and technician must know. As an aircraft safety system, understanding fire control procedures could mean the difference between routine operation and emergency management. This comprehensive guide breaks down everything you need to know. The anatomy of a 320 fire control panel. The A320 fire control panel integrates critical components for managing engine and APU fires. It consists of engine fire push buttons, engine agent push buttons, APU fire push button, APU agent push button, and test functions for both systems. Each component plays a vital role in the aircraft's fire protection system and requires thorough understanding for proper operation. Engine fire push button, your first line of defense. Normal configuration. Normally pushed in and guarded to prevent accidental activation during routine operations. Emergency response. When released during fire event, it silences alarms, arms extinguisher squibs, and initiates critical safety shutdowns. Visual indicators. Red lights illuminate automatically whenever the corresponding engine fire warning activates, regardless of push button position. Engine fire automatic shutdown sequence. Fuel cutoff. Closes the low-pressure fuel valve to immediately stop fuel flow to the affected engine. System isolation. Closes hydraulic fire shutoff valve, engine bleed valve, and pack flow control valve to contain the fire. Power deactivation. Cuts off FADEC power supply and deactivates the integrated drive generator, IDG, to eliminate potential ignition sources. This automated sequence occurs within seconds of the engine fire push button release, ensuring rapid response to fire threats. Engine agent push button. Fire suppression control. Squib indicator. Illuminates white when the engine fire push button is released, indicating the fire extinguisher system is armed and ready for discharge. Shindicator. Illuminates amber when the corresponding fire extinguisher bottle has been discharged and lost pressure, alerting crew to extinguisher status. Engine fire test, ensuring system readiness. The engine fire test push button verifies proper operation of both detection and extinguishing systems. This critical check should be performed during pre-flight preparations. Warning activations. Triggers continuous repetitive chime, flashing master warning lights and engine fire warning on ECAM display. Panel indicators. Illuminates red engine fire push button, white squid lights if discharge available, and amber dish lights on the fire panel. Engine master panel. Activates red fire lights on the engine master panel located on the pedestal. APU fire protection, critical differences. The APU fire protection system operates similarly to the engine system but with key differences tailored to APU location and operation. The APU fire push button, when released, immediate APU shutdown. Automatically shuts down the APU completely, unlike engine fire procedures which don't shut down the engine. Fuel and electrical isolation. Closes low-pressure fuel valve, shuts off APU fuel pump, closes bleed valves, and deactivates the APU generator. Extinguisher preparation. Arms the squib on the dedicated APU fire extinguisher while silencing the oral warning. A PU agent push button operation. Squid activation. White illumination indicates the APU fire extinguisher is armed and ready for discharge after APU-FIRE push button release. Dish indicator. Amber illumination confirms the APU fire extinguisher bottle has been discharged and lost pressure. The agent push button must be manually pressed after the APU fire push button is released to discharge the extinguisher. This two-step process prevents accidental discharge while ensuring quick access during emergencies. APU fire test. Special considerations. The APU fire test function verifies system operation, but comes with important operational cautions. Ground testing time limit. Testing for more than 3 seconds on ground may trigger actual APU automatic shutdown. Use caution during pre-flight checks. Battery-only power limitations. When testing with only battery power, expect partial illumination of indicators and no ECAM warnings due to limited electrical availability. Normal test response. Properly functioning test activates CRC sound, master warning lights, APU fire warning on ECAM, and all fire panel indicators. A320 fire system, safety through knowledge. Understanding the A320's fire control systems is essential for safe aircraft operation. The integrated design provides multiple layers of protection, from detection to suppression, but relies on proper crew response during emergencies. Regular training and system familiarization ensure you'll respond correctly when seconds matter most. The two-step process of releasing fire push buttons followed by agent discharge provides both safety and effectiveness. Share this guide with your fellow pilots and maintenance crew to enhance aircraft safety knowledge. Tag someone who flies or maintains the A320 family.